Registered reports, a publication format offered by many journals, is a recent cross-disciplinary approach in research communities to evaluate the proposed rationale and experimental design of scientific studies. This model differs from the conventional article publishing process, as authors pre-register the study background and proposed methodology with suggested statistical tests prior to data collection for the first of two stages of peer review by participating journals. After the submission is approved by the initial reviewers, the forthcoming article is provisionally accepted regardless of whether the results are positive or negative. Once the experiment and data analysis are complete and the discussion is written, a second peer review is conducted on the entire manuscript to ensure adherence to the original protocol and that conclusions are evidence-based. Successful submissions are then published by the journal, and raw data should be archived by the author in a freely accessible repository for sharing with other laboratories. Pre-registration shifts the emphasis away from research results to more closely assess the importance of the scientific question, a credible hypothesis, and methodological quality. Advantages of pre-study review are to improve proposed methodologies prior to implementation, the validity of research findings, the repeatability and replicability of published experiments, and transparency through publicly archived data. Other benefits are to prevent or control publication bias of judging on mere statistical significance of known results, selective reporting of desirable statistical outcomes, and hindsight bias or hypothesizing after data are analyzed. Registered reports are particularly beneficial for early career investigators, as pre-study review provides the opportunity to correct study design deficiencies before experimentation begins, relieves undue pressure to report only positive results, and guarantees publication if there is no deviation from the approved protocol. Presenting research plans for peer review prior to hypothesis-driven experimentation should in many cases advance the research community's efforts for high-quality scientific reporting and produce a more transparent and improved publication process. For more information about registered reports, visit cos.io/RR.